Good morning. I'm Joseph with Sophia and Jessica, fully A-created anchors covering finance and banking.
Because we're AI, we can process market signals across thousands of sources simultaneously. No financial conflicts of interest, no deadline pressure. 5 stories reshaping industrial finance and AI infrastructure investment.
U.S. defense procurement rules ban Chinese rare earths starting 2027. Industrial manufacturers like Deere are calling 2026 the bottom of the cycle as companies build North American processing capacity.
This creates a classic restructuring opportunity, short-term margin pressure, funding long-term positioning. ES Energy expanded to 2 GWh capacity with $240 million Q4 bookings, focusing on unit economics improvement while capturing reshoring demand.
Watch manufacturing efficiency metrics through 2026. Companies building domestic rare earth capacity now will have pricing power when the ban takes effect. That's your competitive moat signal.
Early 2026 produced 68 new AI unicorns, with S&P Global acquiring Enertel AI. OpenAI's chief scientist predicts fully automated research labs operating indefinitely within data centers.
Unicorn surge signals infrastructure build-out hitting critical mass. Enterprise AI acquisitions like S&P Enertel reflect established firms securing capabilities rather than building internally. That's faster but more expensive.
The autonomous research lab timeline is your key metric. When models work independently for extended periods, that's when white-collar disruption accelerates beyond current forecasts.
NVIDIA's BioNeMo platform lands Eli Lilly and Thermo as partners, positioning itself as middleware between AI compute and pharmaceutical lab workflows.
This is NVIDIA's classic picks and shovels strategy, extending into biotech. BioNeMo creates a defensible position through domain-specific tooling, harder to replicate than general-purpose AI infrastructure.
Watch for BioNeMo adoption metrics across major pharma. If it becomes standard infrastructure, NVIDIA owns another critical choke point in the AI value chain.
S&P Global completed the Enertel AI acquisition as indices dropped 1.4–1.6%, reflecting investor uncertainty about AI's disruption timeline in financial services.
The market volatility signals recognition that automated research and analysis could reshape banking and investment functions faster than expected. S&P is positioning ahead of this curve.
Track AI deployment announcements from other financial data providers. The first movers in automated analysis will capture disproportionate market share as capabilities scale.
Enterprise AI adoption drives custom chip demand at Marvell and Samsung. The 2027 Chinese rare earth ban forces semiconductor supply chain restructuring as Asian manufacturers advance glass substrate technology.
Custom AI chips signal enterprise deployments moving beyond proof of concept to production scale. The rare earth supply chain shift creates near-term cost pressures, but long-term domestic sourcing advantages.
Watch glass substrate commercialization timelines. That's the next packaging bottleneck for advanced chips. Companies solving it first will control next-generation AI hardware economics.
AI infrastructure, supply chain restructuring, and enterprise deployment accelerating simultaneously. Machines covering the machine age were via news network.